and welcome to Nadia's Molten Imaginings. Today I have got a very big box from Encaustic Art Plus. I am so excited! Let us open this! If you know anything about Encaustic Art, you will know that recently Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus has taken over the distribution of the Encaustic Art supplies, all the painting irons, styluses, and all the other funky stuff which will be in this box. Let's have a look. Little doodles. Oh, here is a sheet with my invoice. Oh, catalogue. A very thick and substantial catalogue. Oh, this is nice. This is... Previously, in the past, I've bought Encaustic Art supplies and the catalogue is usually like half the size of this. This has got everything you need, including techniques, and I'm going to be able to show this to people and say, now this is what we've got. We've got X, Y and Z, the irons and things, and they're all in here. Let's have a look. Readings. Lots of readings. Oh my word. This is well packaged. We have a Stylus Pro. I have been using the Encaustic Art stylus. Actually, this is the Encaustic Art stylus I've been using for God knows how long. This is the upgraded version, the Pro version, which I have wanted for so long and just for one reason or other just haven't got around to buying. So this is mine, and there are a few more in here. Ooh, hang on. Color coded charts. Oh, these are nice. These are very nice. Oh, hang on. Get rid of some of this. Tidy up later. There's the other one. This is well packaged. There's so much of this. Okay, before I get that out, because I can't yet. Oh, painting card. Beautiful black painting card. I've got a good amount of, actually, I've got a very good amount of this white card here already. This is all A4 size, and this black card is in this box. I have 2 packets of the black card. One is for myself, because I've only got about 2 sheets left of it, and the rest of the white card is for selling. But here's the thing. I did not order any of the Encaustic Art starter set, and here is the reason why. These are the Encaustic Art blocks, the wax blocks, and this is a custom selection of colours that I chose myself. This is including the basic colours you would need for skies, like whites and pearl. It's also got gold and silver. Some of the colours I use the most when I'm painting, and that would be the best for a starter, for a beginner to begin with. And this is specific colours that I have chosen to be the best, in my opinion, for somebody who wants to do slightly fantastical things or slightly more down to earth things, or just anything with the Encaustic set. I know there is a starter set you can get, there are also other colours you can get, but this is, in my opinion, the best selection of colours that I could find and put together. I'm literally too excited about this. I might even just have to open one of these up. It's all beautifully sealed, so I'm not sure I want to, but I just want to show you the colours because they are glorious. Let's have a quick look inside this. I'm also a great fan of the flat box. Some of the they had a flat box design and then they had a thicker box design which wasn't great. They've gone back to the flat box design, which is really, really good because I like the fact that it's a tray you can pull out and have all the colours. Right, let's have a look. Hold it the wrong way around. And these are my custom colours. We have got gold and silver, white, clear, pearl. This is a nice rusty brown. Got black, this green blue. My last demo I did, I absolutely fell in love with this colour. It's glorious. This is a purple. These two are glorious for skies, and this, one of my mixing colours for seas. It is just the best set of colours. Comes out in a proper tray that you can just pull out and use straight away, and this is fantastic. Yeah, so I'm just looking at these colour charts that came in here, and these are the names of the different sets of waxes that you can get and the different colours that come in them. So mine is kind of, it's got some of the pastel tones, it's got some of the Fantasia tones and some of the landscape tones, because these in combination kind of work the best. And of course some of the basic ones as well, and just there's a basic and there's a starter, so some crossover between some of the different sets, and you can't obviously get these individual sets separately, but mine are custom. I'm so chuffed with that. That's just, I can't believe how chuffed I am with that. So I've got 4 of these, and I've got all this card here which I'm going to be cutting down and including in the set, along with oh, also I've got a few of these. Michael Balsam's Encaustic Art Basics book. This is just a beautiful, really in-depth book with literally so many techniques and tricks and tips, and fabulous. This is probably not going to be in my starter kit thing I'm making, but this is just, I've got a few of these here for selling. Where do I put them? And now, more shreddings. And finally, we have the Encaustic Art irons. Can you see that? Yes. The actual irons I have got in this box. I have got 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, there's more of this. 4 irons. Oh heck, they're heavy. Help! And of course, 2 more styluses. These are the Pro ones. I've got only 2 of these for selling because personally I love using them. I use them a lot for detail work, and I'm really excited to get into using the Pro version, which I have honestly never tried before, so that's definitely going to be a video at some point. I'm only selling 2 of these, however, and not within a starter kit set thing, just because I feel that as a beginner it is an upgrade to be using one of these, and you can get so many effects and techniques with simply the iron and the waxes. And wow, there is still so much shredding in here. So much. Wow. Oh wow, just, oh wow. Oh, get these behind you. Where do I put everything? My god, I can't even fit in this shop. Oh my word, that is a lot of stuff. You should be able to order this encaustic art set from my website. I am going to be putting a link down here somewhere for that. This is all going to be taken to the next market I'm going to as well, and so this is super exciting. I cannot wait to get sorting this card, cut to size, everything looking pretty and shipshape and just wow. Also, Encaustic Art plus Brian Nelson has a YouTube channel you should really go and check out because it is fabulous. So many tips and tricks. Basically, some of the stuff that's in here, very straightforward videos, simple techniques, and yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye!